Hello everyone, this is Robo Eclipse, FTC Team 11138, and today we will be looking at our robot inside of Fusion 360 for the 2019 to 2020 game Skystone. Obviously, our robot only consists of the major subsystems inside of Fusion, but it has allowed us to optimize our space control. Using Fusion, we were able to see how well each subsystem fits together and make any changes we needed. If we remove each of the subsystems, we can see the chassis, which is about 18 by 18 inches, which is the size requirement. After adding each subsystem, we can see if the robot is still inside of the size requirements, or if we need to change the subsystem to make it smaller and inside of the 18 by 18 by 18 box. If we add our collection system, we can see that it still fits in our 18 by 18 box, and we can also import stuff such as stones, the Skystone in our current 2019 to 2020 game, and we can see how well our collection system can take in the 2019 to 2020 Skystone. Here is our collection system by itself in case we have to go back and check which wheels, motors, pieces we use to make our collection system. In addition, we can also see how well our depositing system and collection system work together and see how the stone can go through the robot and how well the depositing system fits with the rest of the robot and if it fits with the 18 by 18 by 18 size requirements. Here is the depositing system by itself, and we can see which slides we used, which plates we used, and the different grabbers. Lastly, we also have our side claws, which we use in our autonomous. And currently, these side claws make our robot outside of the 18 by 18 by 18, but we can use Fusion to move our side claws up and see whether it will whether or not it will be in the 18 by 18 box, or if we have to make any changes to the size or the positioning of our side claws. And here is our side claw by itself. Fusion 360 has been extremely helpful for our 2019 to 2020 year. We were able to reduce the number of iterations by a lot, and we were able to optimize our space control and ensure that our robot was always in the 18 by 18 by 18 size requirements.